applause for Amos.
Hey everyone. So my name is Abbas. I'm a student. I study philosophy and economics.
Yo.
Yeah. Fucking hell. And that makes me both unhireable by companies and unfuckable by women. Because I don't know whether you know it, but when you take out a girl to a date and you tell her that the life doesn't have any meaning to it, they don't get wet. Also, if you talk about supply and demand equilibrium, that also doesn't get you a pussy. Yeah. But I have a hobby. My hobby is to learn like a fun, interesting fact. And recently I learned that there are a type of bird that's called a tit. And when you see more than one such a bird, you say, I saw tits. It's really nice. And they really look really beautiful. Unlike women's boobs. Just hanging around. Waiting to be dropped to your knees when you hit your 60s. Yeah. But don't get me wrong though, don't get me wrong. I love boobs. I love them, they are so amazing. But they are not as pretty as those birds. I know that because I've yet to see a naked tit and I would rather watch it than to touch it. Yeah. But I'm serious, I'm so serious that here are two facts, two reasons why the world would be a better place if the boobs looked like tits. Reason number one. Tits are colorful. They are a combination of black, yellow, white, all coming together. And let's be real though. Let's be real, because I don't need this monotonic, boring ass, only two colored boobs. I want them to be colorful. The second reason why the world would be a better place if the boobs look like tits is tits can fly. Imagine having this warm, amazing, lovely boobs, and now they can fly. That shit would be the best invention of humanity in the history. Yeah, as you can see from my jokes, I started quite recently with comedy. It has been only 10 months, and every single time I present a new material, I get really nervous. No matter how many times I go on a stage, every single time I present a new material, it's like the first sex, you know. Very awkward. Happens really fast. And you never know whether they actually liked it or they're just pretending just to be nice to you. Yeah. So I get really nervous. And some people gave me tips, advice. One of the common ones is, hey, just imagine that everybody in the audience is naked. That shit doesn't calm me down. Okay? Because as soon as I do it, I start to see weird looking pussies and dicks. And there is nothing more disturbing than weird looking dicks and pussies. And I'm already on the stage, right? I'm already on the stage, I'm in front of them. So it's too late to say no to this shit. So you just hope that, you just start to pray that this shit is some kind of a genetic malfunction rather than some kind of a fucking disease. Yeah. So I don't like this advice. I think it's really, really weird. Like, if I'm entering into a room and everybody's naked and nobody's fucking each other and everybody's looking at me, I definitely know who's they gonna fuck tonight. I don't like it. I don't fucking like it, honestly. But I came up with my own technique, you know? I start to listen to my favorite song just before I come out to the stage. And my favorite song is Tommy Robinson, $1 Million Baby. Really cool, very nice song. But the thing is that I don't have a Spotify free premium. So sometimes there's an ad playing, you know. And sometimes, 2 minutes before going to the stage, I start playing music. And instead of a music, I start to listen to an advertisement of a fucking grocery store. But I'm a cool guy. I cannot let everybody know that I'm listening to some kind of a grocery store advertisement. So I just go along with it. I start to rhyme together with my body. Meanwhile, in my ears, it's like little lonesy. All right. I see. Anybody this year was tough on them? Anybody? Anybody? No? Everybody's fucking? Oh, thank you so much. Who was that? Okay. They didn't want to identify themselves. I think the year was really tough. The year was really fucking tough. It was really tough, especially if you were a pedophile. Yes, we go with a full house plan. Fuck it. It's going bad, it cannot get even worse, yeah? So, year was really tough on pedophiles. Because the PDD case came out, right? And the case was fucked up, man. 1,000 baby oil. They found 1,000 baby oil in his house. When the news came out, and I didn't hear about his child trafficking and molesting shit, I was shocked. I thought that he's fucking elephants. Yeah. It was really, really weird, honestly. And there was an Epstein case. It was a fucking crazy, man. This is the only place where Donald Trump and Stephen Hawking would ever meet. If you do not know that, Stephen Hawking was in the island. Holy fucking shit. So yeah, this year was really tough on you if you were a pedophile and maybe optionally gay. Thank you so much, that was it for me.